Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can play roulette in your GTA San Andreas game. So to play roulette, first of all you have to come to a casino, and you guys can come to the Four Dragon Casino. You guys can come here by watching the last video I've shown, where I've shown how to come to this location. So once you're in the Four Dragons Casino, you can just walk in and find these roulette tables, and all you have to do is come over to them. And once you're in here, it will tell you press T to play roulette. So you can press T, and after that you can wager. You can max wager, or you can increase your bet by pressing C and pressing W on you want black or red or even. So let's say I will choose black, and I'm gonna press continue. After that the roulette will start. And I didn't win, so it tells me that I lost. So that's how you guys can play roulette in your GTA San Andreas game. So thank you for watching guys. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys want us to cover, please comment it down below and we will do so for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.